Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a half braid, half sew-in using some hair that my client got from Amazon, I believe. The hair actually wasn't that bad. It was actually pretty decent. So I'm just going to go through and show you all how I do this very popular style that's been a hit over the summer. She did request stitch braids in the front, and she brought me a picture to mimic. This is the product that I'm using. It's Easy Edge's Edge Control Gel, but I use it for braiding gel. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I love braiding with this gel. It really just is thick. It is very dense. It's a very good gripping gel, and I like how thick it is. So to start with these braids in the front, well, excuse me, I'm starting with the braids in the back, but I'm really going to use that product to make my stitch braids in the front. So if you watched any of my other videos, I am doing the same braid down that I always do on everything. But I'm just going to start with those two perimeter braids, one going around and then one connecting at the base. I like doing this instead of doing the pickup at the back of the nape, just because it can cause some discomfort. So I do this braid pattern instead, just to create a sturdier base around the neck area, and then we could do the pickup and drop more toward the center. Her hair is shorter, closer to the nape area, so I am using braiding hair back there, but once I get to her middle section, it's a little bit thicker, so I chose not to use any braiding hair in that section. And then I am going to use a stretch weaving cap just to keep everything nice and sturdy for her, because I believe she's going on a cruise, or she's going somewhere where she's going to be in the water. So just to make sure that her hair is nice and sturdy back there, I'm going to put a mesh stretch weaving net over her braids to help protect her hair underneath. So I'm going to try to slow this video down a little bit when I get to the stitching part. I don't think I slowed it down, to be honest with you. The video is not slowed down, but I will say if you watch very closely, you will see that I'm doing a repetitive movement when it comes to making stitches in, you know, my feed-in braids. If you are experiencing a little bit of lack in stitch braids, it took me a long time to get there. Just be patient with yourself and you will get it. The main thing I would say is to keep stitching. Even though you feel like the design or the pattern itself is not showing up, it is, but you probably won't be able to see it till you get to the end of the braids. So before I get to doing the stitch braids in the back, I'm just going to make sure her hair is oiled using Blue Magic. I either use Blue Magic grease or I use Design Essentials peppermint and aloe. We are using grease now. The oil just be running all down the neck. We ain't got time for that, so we're using grease now. Okay, I'm about to sew down this mesh cap, and then we're going to be doing the stitch braids in the front. And again, I'm a stylist where you could bring me a picture and I could pretty much mimic what's going on, and that's exactly what she did. So you will see that here in just a second. If you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping here at the Pretty Lounge. I have videos on all types of hairstyles. Everything is organized by playlist. If you go take a look, I have a section for protective styles. I have a section for extensions. I have a section for braids. I have a section for coloring on natural hair. I have a lot of different videos on here. So if you are looking for hair tutorials, just make sure you hit the subscribe button. I do post very frequently. I try to say every Sunday, but I'm not going to say that going forward, because when I don't post, I'll be upset with myself. So just to give myself grace, majority of videos will be posted every Sunday at noon. Sundays at noon is when we drop here on the Pretty Lounge. There will be a new tutorial each week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and drop them down in the comment box and I'll be sure to get back to you. Whew, that was a mouthful. I said that really fast. But yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of this video. I'm going to get kind of close up on these stitch braids so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. But it is just a very repetitive movement. And I use my nails to help me create that stitch pattern. Okay, per usual, thank you all so much for tuning in. And again, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And tell me what you like about this video down in the comment section. Alright, I'll see you all next week. Peace.